The Airwave PW1 from PackPlan is a lightweight but ruggedly built air pillow system. Suited to industrial environments, it's capable of rapidly producing large volumes of voidfill on demand. A membrane keypad is conveniently positioned for the operator. Seal temperature, air volume and film length are all independently adjustable to achieve perfect, consistent results. These may be saved as one of 4 programs for your most popular formats, which can be locked so that unauthorized personnel aren't able to make changes. A convenient service kit compartment in the base holds replacement Teflon drive belts and cutter blades, and the tools required to change these parts. A printed copy of the operating instructions and a demonstration video on a USB stick are also stored here for quick reference. An extendable basefoot provides greater stability, particularly when using wider film rolls. Airwave film is manufactured as pillows or quilts on a continuous perforated roll. This can be used for a variety of packing functions, including void filling, carton lining, interleaving, and corner protection. Before use, Airwave film requires minimal storage area, and at the end of its useful life is easily deflated for space-efficient recycling. It is unaffected by moisture, chemical resistant, and creates no dust. The Airwave may also be supplied with optional accessories to maximize productivity. If pillows or quilts are being made in a continuous length, a foot pedal permits easy start-stop. If the void fill is continuously fed into a bulk hopper, a photoelectric sensor can be used to pause production if the hopper level reaches a predetermined point. Hopper feeding may also require the Airwave to be positioned out of convenient reach. Optional Bluetooth control via a smartphone app enables the operator to run the unit remotely. Higher capacity, large diameter film rolls can be used with the optional Jumbo film roll holder to minimize downtime.